At 3:21 local time, the calm shift of a North American Aerospace Defense Command operator suddenly became more tense. Two unidentified aircraft had appeared inside the Alaskan and Canadian Air Defense identification zones. Seconds later, the contacts were identified: Russian Tu-142s, a long-range maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare aircraft, powered by four NK-12 turboprop engines with contra-rotating propellers. The Tu-142 can patrol vast distances of more than 12,000 kilometers while hunting submarines and monitoring naval activity across the Arctic and Pacific. But approaching the North American ADIZ never goes unnoticed. Within minutes, NORAD responded. Two F-22 Raptors and two F-35A stealth fighters were scrambled, supported by four KC-135 Stratotanker aerial refueling aircraft. The Tu-142s can remain airborne for many hours and travel enormous distances, but their speed doesn't even approach Mach 1. The F-22, one of the most advanced air superiority fighters ever built, can exceed Mach 2 and uses powerful AESA radar and stealth technology to track targets long before being detected itself. Alongside it, the multi-role F-35A provides advanced sensor fusion and data sharing, giving the pilots a complete picture of the battle space. The NORAD aircraft quickly closed in from the northeast. Unaware of the approaching intercept, the Russian pilots descended to a lower altitude, possibly hoping to make tracking more difficult. But at this point, avoiding detection was almost impossible. High above the NORAD formation, an E-3 Sentry airborne warning and control system aircraft lifted off to coordinate the intercept and monitor the airspace hundreds of miles away. Its pulse Doppler radar can detect low-flying targets at distances of more than 250 miles. The Russian crews likely had little indication of how closely they were being monitored, so they continued moving toward Canadian airspace, and they were about to receive a rather warm welcome. Canada joined the operation as well. Two Royal Canadian Air Force CF-18 Hornets were launched, supported by a CC-150 Polaris tanker, ensuring that Allied fighters could remain on station for as long as necessary. And with the support of F-22s and F-35s, the intercept was completely one-sided. As the encounter unfolded over the Arctic, the Russian Tu-142s finally turned south just 50 miles before reaching Canadian sovereign airspace.